Welcome to another PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to troubleshoot common issues related to the power supply connection. First, we will turn on the circuit breaker, but neither the power supply nor the PIERRE light up. To begin, we check if there's power by using a phase tester. Once we see the light, we continue troubleshooting. Next, we trace the wiring and find that there's a mistake in the connection. We turn off the power, then reconnect the loose wire correctly. Now the power supply lights up. Great, but PIERRE is still not working. We measure the 12-volt output from the power supply using a multimeter, and as you can see, the voltage is fine. However, PIERRE still isn't working. So, we review the wiring and notice that the polarity is reversed, with the blue wire connected to the positive side. After fixing the polarity, we notice that the power supply still isn't working. We need to turn off the circuit breaker. Next, we check for any short circuits between the two power supplies. No issues here. Now, we check the other two power supplies again and discover a short circuit. This means there is a short somewhere. Most often, the problem is caused by a sensor or a relay. In this case, it's the wire causing the problem. Once we correct the issue, both the power supply and the PIERRE light up as expected. Always make sure to double-check the wiring to ensure everything is properly connected, especially if your system suddenly stops working. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.